Hello everyone and welcome to my new garden series. For this week's project I'm painting the shed. You can see by the original colour of the door that this shed has never been painted, so I'm brightening it up with a nice bit of brown paint. I made sure to paint every nook and cranny. So I have just finished painting the door. Ta-da! Very excited. Now I'm going to move on and do the blue at the top. Painting is a great way to add some mindfulness practice into your life. It requires just enough concentration to make sure that you're not thinking of other thoughts and focusing on the task in hand. As it's a sunny day, I thought I'd take the opportunity to share with you our project from last summer, which is the Shropshire Lad barn. So, we haven't really used it too much because we built it at the end of the summer, but we hope to give it lots of use this year. So I've had a very productive morning doing the painting, and now I have marked out two vegetable patches which I'm going to dig out. So, here we go. As George and I are renting and saving for a house deposit, we usually have to ask for permission to make any changes to the property. However, the landlord was more than happy to let us have complete freedom of the garden. So I've had some lunch, feeling nice and full. It's taken a little bit longer than I thought, so I've called for reinforcements. Although weeding a vegetable patch isn't the most exciting thing to do, we enjoyed the time together. Perhaps my previous statement wasn't entirely accurate. You've got lots of energies. Is it Roman? Finding Roman pottery in our garden. Clickbait. So now we've dug out the vegetable bed, we're going to put a little marker in. So I'm going to use this, and our sunflowers are going to go in this row. And now we are going to plant some broad beans in 2 rows across here. The garden was finally starting to take shape, and we can't wait to see what spring brings. And that's about all for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Hopefully we'll do lots more in the garden and we can take you along with us also. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, check out my other adventures, and see you soon.